Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have admin rights, otherwise you cannot save power changes. Open Settings, then System, then Power and Sleep. On older Windows, open Control Panel, then Power Options. Once there, note the active power plan name so you can revert if needed. You will change both display and sleep timers. Begin with the primary plan listed. Make sure any peripherals that might trigger sleep, docking, lid sensors, stay connected or configured before you modify timeouts. You now change specific timeouts, set sleep to never for plugged in, and adjust on battery to preference. Click Change Advanced Power Settings, then expand sleep and lid to set lid close action to do nothing if you want to keep running with lid closed. Disable hybrid sleep and set hibernate to never to avoid automatic state saves. Once done, apply and save the plan. These steps stop the OS from initiating sleep based on idle timers. You finish by saving and testing. Lock the screen or let the laptop idle to confirm no sleep occurs. If it still sleeps, make sure wake timers and scheduled maintenance are disabled. Check Device Manager for network or USB power management, and review BIOS or UEFI sleep settings because firmware can override OS choices. If problems persist, update drivers and restore the power plan defaults, then reapply changes. This often clears conflicting settings that force unintended sleep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.